If you have never in your life created a digital product before, this is the best opportunity right now. As a matter of fact, you don't even need to start learning any skills, right? If anybody tell you need to start learning something, a particular skill for you to start making money online, I'm telling you, you are not even late at all, because right now the skill is brand new. Everybody is trying to figure out how to make this whole thing work, because we are talking about AI first. Now, the AI boom is here, and AI is redefining how digital product is being made, is being created, and how we deliver and sell digital products. In this video, I want to show you what you need to do if you want to get started with AI first digital products, right? Whether you want to create an ebook, a course, or a SaaS application. This is the first thing you need to pay attention to. So in the last 2 months, I've created about 12 different applications, right? And I've played around with different type of tools. This is one of them. You can see one of the prototypes that I've created of my app. And if I show you the main app, you will see that everything on this app is literally working, right? And it's a tracker that allows me to track visitors, everything about my website. And this is a SaaS application, software as a service. And I create this piece of software by using AI to just prompt, and I got this application. Yes, you can go back and forth to be able to fix things here and there, and that is what I'm going to discuss with you in this particular video. Now, this is just one of the apps. There are several apps that I've created. Let me see if I can just show you some couple of them before I explain what you need and the tool stack you need to have these apps running. This is one. Alright guys, so let me show you some couple of apps that I've built for myself, and even some of the apps that I'm building for some of my clients. Even though I won't be able to show you the details of my client, but I'll show you my personal project that I'm working on that I will soon launch. This is one of them. Is called Analytic Optimizer. The goal of this particular app is to help me analyze the user engagement, right? How people are coming to my website, the product that they are clicking on, what they are buying, how they are buying it, to just help me track every single thing. So you can see I have dashboard, visual insights, session recording, testing, and AI insight. Now this is just a landing page of the app, right? But let me show you. You can just sign in. If I sign in now, you will see everything about the app. This app is currently very functional. Listen, everybody can do this, right? Literally everybody can do this. So let me explain what this app does. This app is something like Crazy Egg. If you know an app called Crazy Egg or Hotjar, what it does is that it helps you analyze your sales page or landing page. So see everything. This is so good, intuitive. On a normal day, if you want to do this, you will be talking about months, right? It will take you months to be able to work around this whole stuff. All right, so you can see the future of this particular app. Everything is set. So AI generated recommendations. This app will go through everything that you're doing, augment them together, and give you a recommendation on how to improve and make so much money if you are running ads. This is the funnel part of it, where to analyze your funnels and tell you what you need to do, where you need to make adjustments, and show you where the money is. Analytics, you can see, to analyze and give you all the patterns. This is beautiful. This is beautiful. So this is one. Like I said, in the space of 2 months, I created about, let's say, about 12 applications in the space of 2 months. Yes, about 12 applications. So this one is one of my top application. The goal of this one is to help you search, right? To help you to search for something in a more laser focused manner. Instead of you just trying to go on Google to search for something, this app will help you describe who you are, what you are looking for, and in the location that you are looking for that particular stuff, and give you AI recommendation based on what you are looking for, right? And give you the businesses that you will see, social media, Google Maps, where the sources that you are looking for this business on, sentiment on social media, what are people saying about this business, so that you can make informed decisions on this business, right? What else? It will bring out all the various business, the contact that you have here, and you save it. You see some options here: business report, analytics, all of them. So these are beautiful apps that you can create, and they are all functioning in real time. So now, what is the goal here? The goal here is that if you want to start anything right now, anything you are doing, you want to start, you have to first think about AI first. How do I create an application or a digital product that focuses on AI? If you are not thinking about AI in anything you are doing, you are just wasting your time. And the good news is we are all very early. we are all very, very early into the AI space right now. So first thing, when you want to create an AI first product, you are going to talk about research tools, right? There are AI tools that you use for the research first of all, and this will be things like ChatGPT. That the first thing you're going to be using if you want to build an AI first. ChatGPT, you're going to be using things like DeepSeek. I recommend DeepSeek a lot. Why am I using DeepSeek? I'm using these things in order for me to do my research, right? The first thing, when it comes to the research, you want to know what kind of tools you are going to be creating, right? You want to brainstorm about the kind of tools to create. Use these two tools for your brainstorming, because you are creating AI first digital products that people are going to see and say, okay, this thing has a touch of AI, right? That's the first thing. Then once you are using this tool to look for what you want to create, maybe an ebook or a course or an application that is very, very easy to make right now. The next stage of building your digital product will be the prototyping tools, right? Now, when it comes to prototyping tool, I just mentioned some of them for you. We have Lovable here, which is very good. We have Bold.new, we have Replit, we have Temple Labs that you can use. Now, I will show you how I use these tools and what I've been able to do with them. Let's look at them one after the others. Now, this is Lovable, right? If I sign into Lovable right now, if you're on Lovable, you'll be able to build crazy applications, right? You can just type anything you want to type about what you want to create, and it will create an application for you. But one thing about this is a prototype. It simply means that you have the overview of the app, the functionalities, and the user interface, but you might not be able to get the app to do all the things that you want the app to do on the get-go. Here you can see some sample apps that have been created using this same tool. Beautiful interface. This is perfect if you want to create a website, you want to create a landing page, you want to create a form, you want to do a basic UI. This is perfect. You can still use it to create good apps, but I will show you one that is better for creating complete mobile or web app, right? So that is Lovable. You can click to see the samples of all these projects that I have already made public, that you can be able to look at them and see what you can do with them as well. So you can see this is a sample app that have been developed on this same platform, like a crypto kind of trading app. Fantastic, looks very well. I can tell you this thing is created with like 2 prompts or 3 prompts, right? And you will have this stuff well and good to go. The only thing that some of the functionality you need to go back and forth to get the functionalities to work, like actual trading for you, or show you some things you need to input, which I'm going to be talking about shortly. The next one is Replit. This is one of my best when it comes to this stuff. This app is crazy. Replit is the best for you. You can see one of my major apps that I'm creating. I use Replit to work on it as a prototype, then before taking it to another app that I'm building it full time. See the app. This is the landing page of the app. It's called Intellicia. Basically, this is one of my top app that I'm creating right now, and I will soon launch it. So by next week, I should be done with this particular app. So you can see it's Intellicia. The landing page is crazy, right? I use the tool to create the landing page, a context-aware business intelligence. The goal of this app is to help you search for something that you need, not just give you information, but the actual content you need. You can see what we have here. Find exactly what you need, not just what exists. That is the idea behind the app. And see how it works. You search who you are, what you are looking for, the location, and it will literally give you all the results. You can see results here based on who I am. And if you check here, it will show you other details about it, a lot of details, with the kind of people that will be using this app and all that. I'm showing you the landing page of this app. It's very beautiful, right? Very, very beautiful. So this is the app. You have the free version, you have the paid version, and the enterprise version with everything you need in the app. And this was created inside of Replit. One shot. I just clicked one shot and everything was created for me. And it's a complete landing page or a website. Everything is working within just that one shot. So that is the power. That's why I like Replit better. I will do more tutorials on how to use this tool. Now this is the inside of the tool. Look at some of the apps, Visual Quest, Intellicia 1, Intellicia 2 apps that I'm creating. You can just go into here and type whatever thing you want to create. Make me a whatever thing. I don't want to do that now, right? So I don't waste credit. I will do it in the next video. So this is how the app look like. It's very good for prototyping and also for completing your app. But I discovered that if you want to do something complex, you can't use this app completely. They will just be having errors and you spend money without getting what you are looking for. So another one that you can use for prototyping is this bad boy here. I love Temple Labs. Temple Lab is very good, right? So like I said, I have created about 12 different applications so far within 2 months, and I'm either using Tempo Labs or Replit. Then I'll finish it up inside of the other app I will mention to you, which is the major app for actually finishing the entire stuff. These ones can be very good for prototyping, and they will give you the features, they will give you the UI, user interface and everything, and connection for you, give you some connection to database, connection to where you can collect money and some basic thing. But the functionality of the app itself, I take it to the next level. But this is very good. So Tempo Labs, you can check it out. I'll leave link. It's a very good app for prototyping as well. Now, once we are done with all these prototyping apps, we'll move to the next level of the app. So let's look at the next part. Will be full stack app builder, right? Now these ones, they will create a complete app with functionalities, right? They can also make prototype, but they are not even good for prototype. They are not that good when it comes to creating user interface. They are not good with this part. But in creating functionalities of your app from beginning to the end, these are the best. So now let's make a list of some of them. You have Cursor AI, right? Then you have Winsoft AI, you have VS Code, you have a lot of them, right? You have some other ones, but these are the top 3 main ones that I use. And my number 1 among this one is this bad guy here, Winsoft. Winsoft is my best tool. That's what I use all the time, Winsoft AI. So see my plan here. I use ChatGPT and DeepSeek, right, to get my research done, right, for my research. Then I come to one of these tools here, Tempo Labs or Replit, either this or this. I come to either this or Tempo Labs and Replit. I use them for my prototyping. When I say prototype, I'm talking about the UI, the user interface. Let me show you the user interface of this particular app. Let's go into it. Let's see if it's open. Intellectia is open. Let me open the preview of the app itself so that you can see what I'm talking about. So this is the inside of this app, right? This app allows you to search, and you will see the result of your search, and everything that you have searched, it will save what you have searched, stories in whatever location, and it will now give you insight about different things that you need to know. For instance, if you are searching about businesses in a particular location, it will tell you the opportunity that you can get, social media growth, rating improvement, market capitalization, smart business opportunities that you can have. It can even help you generate, if you click template, it will generate proposal for you and all that. So you can see all these things, everything is working. This one that I opened for you, this is just the prototype. So I have the one that I made using Winsoft that actually contain every single thing, right, the working functionality. So that is what I use Winsoft. This is the one I did inside of Replit AI. But if I really want to get the one that's working, I take this whole project, I import it into Winsoft. Here is Winsoft. Let me open Winsoft for you. I import it into Winsoft. When I import it in Winsoft, then I continue my development in Winsoft and be given each and every of the features, functionalities. All right, this is taking time to load. So I'll just forge ahead. When it finishes loading, then you guys will see how it looks like. So when I click this Winsoft, this is where I finish the entire app and give it all the functionalities. Everything is by prompting and just understanding some basic things about how these things work, and you will get yourself running with this app. So let's go back to our draw so that I will show you the roadmap again. So basically, when we are at this point, what we are doing is that we have the various features of the app, right? And we are now giving the features of the app functionalities, which simply means that maybe we need to have a business aggregator. We will go into Winsoft and say, like, create the business feature of the app. The app will go inside, create the business feature and make that working. Then you move to the next functionality. I will be doing full tutorials on how everything works so that you can see how everything is working. And if you understand this thing, I'm telling you, you are good to go. You need to understand the research tools, prototyping tools, and full stack development. After that, the next thing will be you're hosting your tools, right? You get a web host or an app host. Now you can get free app hosts from different tools. You have one called Vercel. You can host with Vercel for free. You don't need to pay anything to host on Vercel if you are starting, right? It's free. You can host on Zenda. A lot of tools that you can be able to host for free, and you can start putting your digital product there. I'm talking about your software or your SaaS application. Now, in the case of if you are using this tool, you can also follow the same thing to create a digital product. I mean, like an ebook or a space or a community, anything at all. But the whole goal here now is that you need to understand the entire step, which tool you need to create what kind of applications. And the truth is, every one of us will be using this tool eventually. So it's better for you to just start learning it now. You need to understand how everything works so that you can integrate it into your normal life. Every one of us will start to use ChatGPT. Every one of us will start to use some of these apps to be creating tools in the next 2, 3, 4 years, and they will be changing. So the earlier the better. You understand how this thing works right now. You start making money before every other person start using them, right? So that is the entire framework. That is the system that I use. In the next video, I'm going to be showing you how I built one of my first app, and we will just create an app. I will think about app, or if you have any application or a digital product that you want us to create live, we will do that. Comment below, let me know so that we can go and work on that. All right, guys. So see you in the next one, and I will have more demos on your way on different apps that I'm working on.